who made it.
Alright, y'all, so I don't know where I left y'all at, but last time we done already installed the bag lights. See right there? Hit that right turn signal. My Dougie. Alright, going left. And then we're gonna go 4 ways. Just like that, baby. Just like that. So now, we're finna get ready to install y'all forgot that. So you gotta turn the hazards off with the bike on. After that, they won't do it no more. So yeah, we finna get ready to put the lowers on in the front and go ahead and get them installed. So let's do it. Alright, so we got it installed. Show y'all what it looked like. I still gotta tuck my wires and all that, but just to give you an idea what it's gonna look like. Let there be lights. You see that there? That there is great. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Hey. So now we just gotta tuck our wires and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I just finished getting everything tucked away. I need another zip tie. Well, no, I already put the zip tie, so I gotta cut the zip ties off. Took the front fairing off. It was not, I ain't gonna lie, like it kind of had me spooked for a minute, but then after I took it off, after I seen how simple it was, I was like, oh, that's, I mean, I was really kind of surprised. I'm like, that's all that's holding the front fairing? So it's only this screw, same thing on the other side, and then the 1, 2, and 3 across the front, and that's it. That's all that's holding this front part on there. So I was like, oh, I don't want to have to go back in there, and nah, man, fuck that shit. We going back. We'll go back in there bitch easily when it's time to fucking, you know, run our wires and shit for our amp and shit, you know what I'm saying, how that shit gonna sit up there. But we hit it one time for you, you know what I'm saying, or one more time, you know what I'm saying, walking on sunshine type shit. Damn, that bit like a light show, my boy. That bit like a light show, my boy. Hey, she dirty, but they be like a light show though. Yeah. I got caught in the rain coming home. So that other day, but it's all good. It's all good. So yeah, man, that's all the upgrades for now. Tap in, let me know what you think. Next video, shit, that thing need to be. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna do the oil change, the 3-hole change on it, and then after the 3-hole change, then we wash it, and then we should be good for the rest of the little season or whatever. I'm talking about. No, I'm talking about. So make sure y'all stay tapped in to see what else is coming. Shouldn't be nothing soon though, man, because like I said, music. I mean, I'll be going ahead and securing the materials. You know what I'm saying? The speakers. So I already pretty much know which one I'm gonna go with. They're like some DB drive joints. So 6.5s here, 6.5s up there with an amp. And that's it. Not gonna do the saddlebags like I originally had planned, but it is what it is. So if I don't plan on doing the saddlebag, I'm probably gonna end up just getting a new saddlebag lid because this one was damaged in the accidents. So I have to buy a new set, but it's all good. Order some paint mats, bada bing, bada boom. Nothing to it. But yeah, I'm definitely just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers, and that'll be fine because we not competition. We not doing nothing crazy like that. So that might be like another $1,000, and then get that all installed and be good to go from there. I kinda wanna upgrade the radio, but I don't wanna upgrade the radio just because I've seen the option, or the main option that everybody goes to. So I'm just not. Yeah. How can I say it? I'm not. I would like more diversity. Everybody's going either with the Sony or the Soundstream, and I mean I don't want to really do the Sony because I don't want to have to. I don't ride in the rain on purpose. You know what I'm saying? But if I do get caught in it, I don't want it to mess my deck up. Soundstream, I don't know what the word is on that one, but it's all good. But yeah, she looking good, y'all. Coming into her own. Coming into her own. Man, like lowers wasn't even something that I thought that I would want. You know what I'm saying, on the bike, but it really do kind of fill it out. You know what I'm saying? And then the ability to have the additional lights and shit, that's hot. That's hot.